या चेप एंड चीप का ही मिक्स है चेपड़ इन दिल्ली लैंग्वेज. कुछ भी मतलब.
I've got this huge one in me. Then the other one would say दिखा.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल. दिस इज पूजा और आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल होने वाली है क्योंकि आज मेरे साथ है मेरे पतिदेव गौतम. तो मैंने ये ट्रेंड बहुत सारी चैनल्स पे देखा था यूट्यूब में कि गर्ल्स आर आस्किंग गाइज ऑकवर्ड क्वेश्चंस. तो मैंने भी अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे एक पोल डाला था कि यू कैन आस्क एनी स्पाइसी ऑकवर्ड क्वेश्चंस एंड आई आस्क गौतम टू आंसर इट. तो गर्ल्स, आज हमें एक लड़के का पर्सपेक्टिव मिलने वाला है वो सारे क्वेश्चंस पे जो हम अपने दिमाग में सोचकर और अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के साथ डिस्कस कर पागल होते रहते हैं. तो नाउ आई हैव बहुत सारे स्पाइसी और हैपनिंग क्वेश्चंस. मुझे उम्मीद नहीं थी कि इतने अच्छे अच्छे क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे क्योंकि जब मैंने पहले एक बार ऐसा पोल डाला था तो कुछ भी नहीं आया था. तो इस बार आ गए हैं थैंकफुली. विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू करो. लेट्स गेट. यार गलत कर रहे हो. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. I have promised my followers that I will not mention their names and I'll keep it anonymous. So without mentioning any names, I'm going to ask my first question. पहला question है, who should pay the bill on first date? Like what's your perspective? पहले लड़की को पे करना चाहिए या लड़के को, या दोनों को हाफ ऑफ कर लेना चाहिए? मतलब लाइक लड़के के दिमाग से बताना है. मॉरली राइट नहीं होना चाहिए. एक लड़के के दिमाग में जो फर्स्ट इंस्टेंट आता है वो क्या आता है? लाइक हु शुड पे ऑन द फर्स्ट डेट?
अगर if you want me to be honest, then I'll just say कि जो भी दे रहा है ठीक है. मतलब अगर if the girl is ready to, क्या वो लगता है कि लड़के ही देंगे तो ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. केसेस में हाँ चलो अगर हमें अच्छा लगा तो हम दे देंगे. गाड़ी में जा रहे हैं एंड वी गेट डाउन समवेयर एंड देन लड़की बोलती है कि नहीं वॉलेट की क्या जरूरत है, मैं गाड़ी में ही रख देती हूँ. देन ऑफ कोर्स आई विल मेक श्योर दैट द गर्ल पेज फॉर हर मील.
ओके. तो व्हाट ही मीन्स टू से गाइस कि एक बार शायद इसके या किसी इसके फ्रेंड के साथ ये इंसिडेंट हुआ था दैट द गर्ल सेड कि I don't need to carry my wallet. I mean, obviously you're going to pay for it. So this is coming from that place. But I think हम लड़कियों को बहुत गलत लगता था कि लड़कों को पे करना अच्छा लगता है फर्स्ट डेट पे. But clearly we were wrong. And लड़कों को मजा आता है कि अगर लड़कियां पे कर दे फर्स्ट डेट पे तो सही है यार. वैसे भी पता नहीं होता फर्स्ट डेट कहाँ जाएगी. तो गुड आंसर. सेकेंड वन वी हैव इज what kind of girls give guys butterflies in their tummy?
It depends कि
It depends that your wife should not be asking this question, but
depends on the guy. I mean, what he likes.
हमें एक ऑनेस्ट आंसर चाहिए. कौन से टाइप की लड़की को देखकर लड़कों को लगता है कि यार टाइप्स सिचुएशन?
It entirely depends. मैं वही तो कह रहा हूँ. ऐसा कुछ पर्टिकुलर चीज़ नहीं. मतलब किसी को कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी लगती है, किसी को कुछ लगती है. You cannot generalize these things.
What? अच्छा ठीक है. So we want to know your perspective या तुम्हारे friends का perspective जो मतलब यार लड़कों का perspective we want to know.
I cannot say those things here.
He doesn't want to answer it at all. Like you want. अच्छा ठीक है तुम्हारा. What do you see in a girl? What can give you butterflies? Like did I ever give you any kind of butterflies?
I actually honestly don't believe in the concept of butterflies, but yeah, I like seeing girls. मतलब हाँ, when I saw you for the first time, हाँ मतलब I did not get such vibes कि ऐसा कुछ है, you know, that we're gonna ship together. But eventually things happened, you know. If you see a hot girl or a beautiful girl, तुम्हें देख के लगता है okay, I mean she's very gorgeous, she's beautiful. मतलब काश मेरी बंदी होती या मेरी बीवी होती. So that's how it is actually. मतलब उसके बाद the moment she crosses your path, उसके बाद तुम नहीं याद करते उस चीज को. मतलब अगर
it's like an instant.
हाँ. If there's someone, you know, with you, मतलब you're meeting that person every now and then yeah, of course, things would start eventually growing and, you know, probably you can come up to the solution that yes, she's the one. But it entirely depends कि वो लड़की क्या vibes दे. May not like those actions what she's doing. तो उस time पे that could be a big turn off.
Interesting. मैं कभी नहीं सोच सकती थी कि लड़के भी इतना सोचते होंगे. Next we have is, do guys like it when girls make the first move?
Of course I do. I do like it personally. And I can vouch for the guys that yeah, they like it too.
They like it too. ठीक है, ये तो
if something is being offered to you, then obviously no one would say no to that.
वाह.
I'm not saying anything wrong.
मतलब वो आंदो वाली सिचुएशन है. If a girl wants to take things slow, what is a guy's reaction like? Is it a turn off?
No, it's not. Of course, I mean, I cannot talk about those Turkey people, but I'm just talking about generally. You know, if you ask me, guys would be all right with, you know, taking things slow, and it entirely depends on their history as well, their past relationships as well. Maybe you know, they took things very fast previously. Maybe that could be so. Of course, guy understands and he respects the decision. Most of them.
Very kind. Girls, you got your answer. Do guys date to marry or just to have fun?
Again, I cannot generalize things. Find every type of guy in this world, and I don't have an answer for this. But if you ask me in personal, I date to, you know about the person. You know, it's an entirely new
So
feeling.
do you also feel that it comes from a place of maturity? Like अगर हम बड़े होकर किसी को date कर रहे हैं तो हम वो सोचते हैं.
People go through relationships. They start, you know, most of the people, they start dating in schools. I mean, it's entirely premature. All they want is, you know, someone to call them their girlfriend. So
Babu Shona.
so things develop, things evolve, you know, over the course of time, and yeah, this perspective changes as
तो
well.
मतलब पहले लड़के फन वाले मूड में जाते हैं, बट कभी कभी चीजें सीरियस हो जाती हैं, तो वो ऐसा नहीं है कि बैकआउट कर जाएंगे शादी से, कर लेते हैं. मतलब इतने बुरे भी नहीं होते लड़के. We have is, I think this will be the most difficult question of this whole thing. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, what is an ideal relationship for guys?
It entirely revolves around respecting each other, and and honestly, I really hate those people, you know, who just show the, you know, tantrums, you know, throwing onto the guys, and you know, expecting you know, everything, and in return, you know, she'll not give anything. I hate these toxic relationships. An ideal relationship is something: respect each other's opinion, give each other space.
Do you think it's common with most of the guys? Because I feel कि बहुत सारे लड़के ऐसे भी होते हैं इनको अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को डोमिनेट करना या फिर कहते हैं ना कंट्रोल करना कि कहाँ जा रही है, किससे मिल रही है टाइप्स.
This debate could go any way, but no, this is not how things work, and I personally believe कि guys are the one who suffer. And yeah, of
अच्छा.
course, I mean,
तो यू मीन
even
कि
we've
लड़कियां
got-
ज्यादा चेक रखती है लड़कों पे कि
Of
नहीं
course.
कहाँ जा रहा है, क्या मुझसे ही नहीं बात कर रहा,
of
लाइक द
course,
टाइम प्रॉब्लम एंड ऑल.
Yes, absolutely.
तो
Because
मतलब
guys are ready to devote their time for their girlfriends, as well as they are interested in doing other things as well. They like being socialized. I mean, they like playing games.
Games.
I don't get my playtime these days, and I'm
ऐसा कुछ
personally
नहीं है.
hurt. So yeah, you guys can understand.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. ही गेट्स हिज टाइम और ये पूरा दिन ऑलमोस्ट खेल रहा होता है कॉल ऑफ ड्यूटी क्योंकि पबजी बैन हो गया था. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. ही इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू
Gain sympathy.
नो सिंपैथी कार्ड शुड नॉट बी द केस हियर. ये वाला तो क्वेश्चन खैर मेरे ऊपर ही पड़ गया उल्टा. बट नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू अ गाय इज हिज बेस्ट बॉडी पार्ट.
I can go with this. My stomach.
यार प्लीज ओके. सच्ची में स्टमक किसी को नहीं पसंद हो सकता अपना. स्टमक इज लाइक एक नॉर्मल सा
I
बॉडी.
mean, देखो, if you ask someone, you know, who likes working out, who is not me certainly, but if you ask that person, he'll go with his abs or his biceps or his triceps or his chest probably. So it's everyone's personal favorite.
So why do we girls feel that you guys are obsessed with your dick?
No, it's not the case.
It's not the case.
You may find those images in random Facebook groups or
नहीं वो
some other
नहीं.
community, but
नहीं, but guys do talk about it a lot.
No, they don't. They
They don't?
No, of course they don't. And this, you cannot just try to measure along with your friend. I mean, you guys can sit together and, you know, try to measure which one's bigger.
Why?
You cannot do these things, and they don't like flaunting. And let's say, for example, if a person says, "Yeah, I've got this huge one in me," then the other one would say, "Dikha." So he'll
मुझे
not.
लगता है हम ना लड़कों को बहुत गलत समझते हैं. आई
Of
थिंक ऑफ कोर्स नहीं. आई मीन हम लड़कियों को ये काफी बार लगता है कि शायद जब लड़के आपस में बैठते होंगे तो वो कभी नॉर्मल बातें करते ही नहीं होंगे, हमेशा नॉन वेज टाइप बात.
Always कि हाँ भाई किसका बड़ा चल लड़ाते हैं. No, not these things.
Well, गुड नॉलेज हियर. थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू स्पाइस अप अ बिट क्योंकि ये वाला जो सेगमेंट है इसमें काफी मजेदार क्वेश्चंस आए हैं. तो आर यू रेडी? What goes on in a guy's mind on a first date? Like if you're meeting someone for the very first time and it's a date, like date है, मान लो टिंडर विंडर पे ही मिले हैं, तो क्या चल रहा होता है एक लड़के के दिमाग में?
If the date is boring, then ये लगता है कि भाई कभी आगे से मिले ही ना हम. काश स्वाइप गलत जगह किया होता, so मैं यहाँ पे end up नहीं करता. And if the date is going good, then of course the guys would think भाई मैं when am I gonna meet her the next time? कब मिलेंगे? I mean, what should I do? What should be my next move? How should I approach in a way that the girl won't, you know, feel uncomfortable or probably she would like it. So these are the things guys would go through. Each and every step would be calculated and measured, and then that'll be actioned.
Oh.
So yes, so that's what a guy would look for.
And do you guys always take these steps, calculative steps, like you're saying? हर बार when you meet a new girl, like if you're finding a girl good, या फिर सिर्फ on dates?
नहीं, it depends. मतलब कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है, you know, when we plan too much and then we'll start, you know,
then things go south.
screwing things. So, like in most of the cases, guys, they would want to do something and then they'll eventually end up doing something जो entirely awkward situation में हो जाता है. तो it depends. I mean, कभी-कभी कुछ हो जाता है, but yeah, they try their best, you know, to make sure that the girl is comfortable or probably happy. ऐसा ना उसको लगे कि ये क्या आ गया है, कौन चेपड़ आ गया है. No, not those things.
चेपड़ आ गया है. दिल्ली वाले लोग तो समझ जाएंगे ये सब लैंग्वेज, बट फॉर एवरीवन एल्स चेपड़ मींस चीप.
Not cheap.
चीप ही तो है चेपड़.
जो चेप हो
चेप
जाता है.
मतलब चीप मतलब वही चीपस्टर्स जो होते हैं, लाइक जो पीछे
चेप
पड़ जाते
जो
हैं.
चिपक जाता है.
हाँ.
मतलब this
या
चिपक गया.
चेप एंड चीप का ही मिक्स है चेपड़ इन
अच्छा,
दिल्ली
हो
लैंग्वेज.
सकता है.
कुछ भी मतलब. ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार आया है तो आई विल ओनली आस्क दिस वंस. थॉट्स अ गाय हैव व्हाइल हैविंग सेक्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम?
I should last for some time.
यार मतलब व्हाट इज दिस नॉनसेंस. मतलब पहली बार एक लड़की के दिमाग में इतना कुछ चल रहा होता है, लड़के के दिमाग में बस ये प्रेशर होता है कि
हाँ,
आई शुड लास्ट
हाँ.
लॉन्गर.
There shouldn't be a bad breath.
हाँ, बैड ब्रेथ तो इट्स फाइन, बट
And yeah, I should last long. I should not fail or
and I think
be a flop.
this is the last thing we girls have अपने first time पर कि लड़का ज़्यादा last करे, because we are like we have so many body issues already circulating in our head. यार मैं उसको कैसी लगूंगी, ये क्या होगा, वो क्या होगा. तो ये तो चीज़ एक लड़की के दिमाग में सबसे एंड में होती है कि लड़का कितनी देर last करेगा. Then the next question, a partner with good brains or good looks? What's your
Good
preference?
brains any day, hands down.
No good looks. And
Yeah,
what
that
if
is secondary. मतलब नहीं, मतलब देखने में अच्छा लगेगा, but you know, the moment she'll start opening her mouth, no.
अच्छा.
No,
Next is, how much space do you guys need?
a lot.
What do you mean by a lot?
A lot.
Like we need a definition here because a lot of girls are struggling with
You
space
should not-
issues
you
in
should
their
not bug
relationship.
the guy. I mean, of course, he'll give you time, and he is giving you time. And people are. I'm not talking
How can
about
you be
me
so
personally.
sure? अब यहाँ
guys-
पे इस केस में he is very sure of all the guys that all guys are giving space and girls are asking for more time. और
Arey, it
बाकी
depends. I mean, I don't think, you know, you should be on the phone with the guy every minute. I mean, if you're speaking with him, let's just have a healthy discussion for 15 to 20 minutes, and then give him some time.
15-20 minutes है तो
because
लड़कियाँ
let's
का
say if
आया
you're in a
नहीं
long distance relationship, you should give the guy a lot of time, because it may think that way, that he's doing something else. He might be ditching you behind you. So those things, no, it's not like that. Probably. Maybe he's engaged with some other work, he's kind of busy, just like you're busy, so space is required.
Do you also feel कि guys lose interest अगर उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड ज़्यादा ही बक करती है तो उनको मन करता है दूर हो जाए उससे?
हाँ, मतलब the more you'll approach a guy, if he's not interested in you, you're
नहीं,
he'll
I'm talking
start
about
thinking, हाँ, वही कह रहा हूँ,
relationship में.
he'll start thinking that you're invading his personal space. There is a boundary for everything. It would be better if people don't cross those boundaries, because in order to stay healthy and happy in a relationship, this is required. Have your space, please roam around that space.
गुड आंसर. मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है, मुझे खुशी हो रही है कि मतलब मैंने जिससे शादी करी है वो भी ऐसे टॉपिक्स पे इतनी अच्छी विजडम हमें शेयर कर पा रहा है. सो आई फील वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज इन व्हाट सिचुएशंस डू अ गाय टेक्स्ट फर्स्ट?
When the guy receives the number for the first time in WhatsApp.
ओनली दैट. जब पहली बार नंबर मिलता है तभी पहला टेक्स्ट जाता है, अदरवाइज यू आर द वन टू टेक्स्ट फर्स्ट.
How much porn do guys usually watch?
If you talk about a teenager, मतलब things are different. When I was young, when you'll have access, so obviously you can watch it whenever you want. During those CD and all के time पे, the Palika and all, तो
Palika.
that is a kind of an event कि हाँ भाई किसी की दोस्त के घर में चलो है CD player, कोई है नहीं, चलो let's go.
We want to know how much.
You always see something new, तो ऐसा कुछ
मतलब
नहीं.
कभी तो लाइक इज इट लाइक कि 20s में जब आ जाते हैं, जैसे टीनेज के टाइम पे तो यार सबको एक्सप्लोर करना होता है कि क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, बट 20s में तो यू नो थिंग्स, तो तब भी देखने का मन करता है.
Obviously, मतलब it's ये एक वो जॉनर टाइप ही है, मतलब no one is an addict. मन करता है तो देखते हैं, चलो भाई ठीक है, मतलब देख लो.
So there is no science behind it. It's just
No,
like you
there is
like
no-
it and you watch it. जैसे हमें chick
Yes.
flicks और ये सब देखना पसंद होता है.
Yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
And even when you are married, things remain the same.
हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ
ठीक
ऐसे
है.
थोड़ी है.
Okay. Digesting the fact and moving on happens when your boner gets caught.
Nothing happens. You'll just pretend that the other person didn't see. खत्म.
तो मतलब
कुछ
ऐसा
नहीं
होता है
होगा.
कि लड़कों के साथ छोटे में कि मतलब देख लेते हैं मम्मी
नहीं, there's nothing.
So do you think
you
even
need to be
moms
ashamed
ignore
of.
मतलब
Yeah.
लड़कों की मम्मी, because since I do
They'll
not
not
have a
come
mom.
to you saying that hey, I saw your boner. No.
Moving on to slightly better topics, how do guys deal with their mental health?
They cry. Guys do cry.
That's nice.
They know how to control the tears, and they have their own space where they can just go and
Vent
cry
out.
for themselves. Yeah.
Do guys also feel pressurized कि if they talk about their mental health to their might not understand it, क्योंकि लड़कों
नहीं,
का
it's
एक
just
होता
that
है ना.
मतलब नहीं, I mean they have this stereotype saying लड़के तो strong है, but of course men do suffer as well. There are a lot of people, I've seen it, I've heard about it. तो मतलब no one is less, मतलब सबके fair share of trouble
So
है.
do you think if a guy goes out to a guy, मतलब if you're talking to your best friend about your mental health, he won't bully you, या he would, what do you think?
They'll
how
not
would he
bully.
react?
They'll not bully initially. Yeah, of course. Yeah, they'll think that ये तो मजाक कर रहा है, बकचोदी कर रहा है. तो it'll eventually evolve once he'll start understanding that things are serious. Then he'll be a helping hand and he'll support the other guy.
That was very intense. मतलब कि हम वहाँ से वहाँ कैसे गए? Okay. Moving on to the next question, which is very interesting. I am assuming that this is coming from a girl. But yeah, we have makeup or shopping therapy. What is your therapy? And you cannot include playing games.
That is what I was about to say. कि we can play games as a stress buster. नहीं, मतलब देखो, मतलब हाँ, मतलब I'll not even consider drinking as an option because I don't drink. Sure, I cannot comment because I don't know how it feels once a person is drunk. तो मतलब yeah, going out with guys, again having a party, it could be alcoholic or
having
non-alcoholic.
a boys night out.
Yeah, boys night out.
I am not sure मेरे सारे Pixie fam members dates को लेके इतना ज़्यादा obsessed क्यों हैं? तो another question on a date. What is your kind of ideal first date? जैसे हमारी तो हमें पता है यार, कैंडल लाइट एंड ऑल, तो लड़कों का
मतलब
क्या
मुझे
होता
नहीं पता,
है?
मतलब if you ask me personally, I don't believe in these fairy tale wala dates because if a guy is putting effort for a girl, then of course that is the only thing which should count because he's
True.
taking few extra efforts to get something done. He may not plan as much as the girls do, but he may think that whatever he's doing is sufficient because he thinks that it should be it is an ideal date.
You want to know about the setup and all. Where do you want to take the
नहीं,
girl
ऐसा
or no?
कुछ नहीं है,
वैसा.
मतलब there's nothing to be precise.
Girls, लड़कों का कोई ideal date नहीं होता है. He doesn't have an answer for this.
हाँ.
He thinks, I think I'm saying this on behalf of most of the guys. Guys think कि any date they are putting their efforts in is an ideal date.
Yes.
See,
And being nice to a girl.
Yeah, being nice is
During that date.
obviously that should
That-
be
that-
the first
that
thing.
is what
हमेशा.
counts.
Okay, next one we have is, do guys ever wonder how their future kids or wife would look like?
Yeah, they do.
They do?
Yeah.
Even kids के लिए भी?
नहीं, kids का I'm not sure, but yeah, I've always wondered. I mean,
कि बीवी कैसी होगी, बच्चे
कैसी
कैसे
होगी, क्या कर रही होगी, she might be doing something now.
Oh.
When I was in school, I used to think कि हाँ वो भी अभी स्कूल
I
में क्लास
was
कर रही
bunking
होगी.
classes. मैं तो क्लास कर ही नहीं रही थी, तो bunking classes ही होगा मेरा. What do you think a girl needs when she's PMSing? Girls. सारे questions मेरे पति को निचोड़ लो. मैंने नहीं पूछे इतने question कभी. Thank you for that.
देखो मतलब all a guy can do is care for you, help you if you need something during that time, and
नहीं,
of course he'll not know what you are going through,
True.
and he'll not know that what you went through. I mean the pain and the issues girls face during this period and post that period. So all a guy can do is if you ask for something he'll give it to you, but you just cannot expect that guy to just act according to your
Means you
mindset
should
and
not-
your sudden change in behavior. So it will take time for the guy to realize that he's doing something wrong, although he's not doing something wrong, he's just trying to help you. So yeah, there's no one answer for this particular question.
को मैं बताती हूँ, हमें चाहिए होता है सपोर्ट, तो ऑब्वियसली वी नीड, वी ऑल्सो नीड लिटिल पैम्परिंग. और उस टाइम पे मैंने ऐसा लगता है कि हमें ना सब कुछ अलाउड होना चाहिए. लाइक इफ वी आर बीइंग क्रैंक्ड इज रॉन्ग, आई थिंक. मतलब हम
Yeah.
ऐसा करते हैं,
Happy
बट
realization.
और हमें ना हाँ
रियलाइजेशन है, बट हमें ना ये भी चाहिए होता है, हमें चाहिए होता है जैसे मूवीज और इन सब में दिखाते हैं कि चॉकलेट ला रहा है कोई उस टाइम पे, और उस टाइम पे
उस टाइम पे ला रहा है.
particularly
कहाँ दिखाया है, मेरे को जरा दिखाना
नहीं,
जरा.
उस टाइम पे नहीं ला रहा है. आई मीन हम वो जो चीजें जो रोमांटिक साइड जो मूवीज में दिखाते हैं ना, वो हमें चाहिए होता है उस पर्टिकुलर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम में हमें मिल जाए.
Then you need to at least give some signals or ask for it.
हाँ, आई थिंक दैट
You cannot just
मेरे को लगता है
simply
गर्ल्स
expect-
PMS तो पता होता है ना सबको, अपनी डेट्स पता है ना. डेट से एक हफ्ता पहले अपने बॉयफ्रेंड्स या अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स को जिनको फ्रेंड जोन किया हुआ है उनको मैसेज करना शुरू कर दिया करो कि हमें चॉकलेट चाहिए, ये चाहिए. मतलब सिग्नल्स देने चाहिए.
हाँ.
एंड यू थिंक
अगर हम सिग्नल्स देंगे तो लड़का वो करेगा.
हाँ कर देगा.
गुड पॉइंट नोटेड.
मतलब हाँ, you cannot ask him to bring चांद down to
अरे
the earth,
नहीं,
but हाँ.
anyway we are not asking for charm. Okay, next is a girl who is good in bed or good in kitchen.
Go make me a sandwich.
गुड इन किचन इट इज. क्या लड़कों को भी अपनी बेस्ट फ्रेंड से कभी प्यार हो जाता है? मतलब लड़कियों को तो हो
हाँ.
जाता है, हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं.
मतलब कंधे दोनों तरफ होते हैं.
कंधे दोनों तरफ होते हैं गाइस.
And
डायलॉग ऑफ द डे. कंधे
Yes.
दोनों तरफ होते हैं, लड़का लड़की दोनों कंधे होते हैं. We have is, does it matter to guys if a girl has had more sexual partners than him?
नहीं मतलब if you've cleared your past with the guy, मतलब नहीं, I don't think there must be an issue. There should be an, there
Guys
should not
have-
be an
do
issue.
guys get turned on by Barbies in their teenage years?
No,
No.
no, not at all.
तो मतलब किसी
We
को
like breaking their heads and yeah, amputating their legs and
amputating Barbies, guys. मतलब Barbie is just another toy for guys in their
yes,
teenage years.
Yes, never.
So we are done with our questions. और अब मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है, लाइक सारी गर्ल्स के बिहाफ पर. कितनी गंदी शक्ल बनाई है. My question to you is, लाइफ कितनी ज़्यादा चेंज हो जाती है शादी के बाद, और क्या क्या चीज़ें अच्छे के लिए चेंज होती हैं और क्या बुरे के लिए? For those of you who don't speak English, I've just asked them how much your life changes after marriage, being a guy, and pros and cons of getting married.
There are lots of pros and cons. If there's someone always standing in your head, if do this, do that, do it this way, ये ऐसे क्यों है, it'll be like a pain in the ass. But yeah, of course, there are lots of things, that would neutralize all these things. But even not just neutralize, make things better. So you can just, disregard these things. Like there's someone always there to care about you. Of course, you have your family members at your place, but yeah, everyone has their own space, everyone has their own role, and they have a big part in your life. So wife is someone, who you can rely on. हर बार बग करे भी, and but eventually आपको realization होता है कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, चीज़ें सही हो रही है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें दिखने लगती है, and
दिखने लगती है मतलब as in the realities of life.
हाँ मतलब
Realities of
ऐसा
the
लगता है कि मतलब शादी से पहले कि बिकॉज लाइफ में कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, बट हाँ शादी होने के बाद बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स नज़र आती हैं तो
मतलब
yeah.
ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि जो बीवियां होती हैं वो आके दिखा देती हैं चीजें कि दिस इज हैपनिंग दैट वे, दैट इज हैपनिंग दैट वे.
हाँ मतलब इतना दिमाग नहीं होता लड़कों में कि वो चीज़ें सोच सकते हैं.
लीविंग दिस ऑन अ गुड नोट, एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन मैं पूछूंगी सबकी तरफ से.
इससे पहले वाला नहीं था आखिरी?
वो था बट अब मैं एक और पूछूंगी. जस्ट होप यू कैन आंसर इट. एंड इट इज, डू यू लव मी?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so we have a thing here. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and thank you so much for sending such awesome, spicy, mazedar questions. I loved asking them.
Thank you very much. It was nice answering all you guys.
Thank you so much for all the love you are sharing on my Instagram and YouTube. Keep watching my videos, and if you are on this channel for the very first time, check out all my videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I make pretty awesome content on all my socials. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.